Now, let's talk about the design build, the DB, which is a single source project delivery method. The main points I need to highlight: the owner sign only one contract with design build entity. There is only one contract, the design and the construction in one contract. You're gonna understand how it's done in the slides also. The design build entity responsible for both design and construction. Most preferable to owners. Why it's most preferable to owners? First, it reduces time, and the entity will be responsible. Because in any project, there's always conflict between the design and the general contractor. It's a blame game. Everyone is blaming each other. But as long as there is one contract and it combines only one firm, so we know that if something wrong went on, then most definitely the entity or the firm screwed up. That's why I highlighted the total accountability and transparent communication. In case the field team encountered any issue, immediately they refer back to the design team. They go back to their work, the office, and they find a solution. The last point I want to talk about: sometimes construction starts during design phase, overlapping, aka fast tracking. What I mean by this, in the fast track, most of the time, like up to 20 or 30% of the design is completed. Immediately the implementation work starts. However, the risk is high. In case any change orders or any design changes, it's hard to implement, and it will cost very much to remedy or to fix any design mistakes or any design defaults. So remember, in the design build, it's only one contract, one entity, and the design build, there is overlapping. When I say overlapping, the difference between and the fast track up to 20%. Here maybe like 60-70%. How this thing is done? One entity. We have three options. The first one is the joint venture. Joint venture, simply, it's a partnership with construction firm and design firm under a legal agreement. Therefore, the risk is shared. Let's say AECOM will collaborate with Jacobs and they work under a single owner, under a single contractor, under a single contract. So that means if any of these both parties default, the risk is shared. The partnership is a different thing. It's agreement with construction firm and design firm, while one of them only sign contract with the owner. I'll simplify it. Let's say the contractor will get into contract with the owner. Construction firm, they will hire an architect to design the project. However, the contractor will take the full responsibility in front of the owner in case of any design defects or issues, since the architect has no legal agreement or legal tie with the owner. So any design mistakes, the contractor will take the full responsibility. The third and the most efficient firm, which is the full service firm. This full service firm is very popular in the US. It's one company. In this company, they have their construction department and the design department. They work together for the same company, for the same goal, for the same profit.